Okay, so we're going to factor this first problem, 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. And what I've done is gathered the materials that we need. We have 2x squared tiles. I have 7x tiles to represent the 7x and 3 1 tiles to represent the 3. So factoring is the opposite of multiplying. So we're going to try to make this into a rectangle so that we can use that area model and determine what two binomials may have been multiplied together to get this trinomial. So I put my 2x squared in the upper left hand corner, and I'm going to start trying to build my rectangle. We need even numbers going down here, so I'm going to go ahead and use up 6 of them that way. I can't use this x here because we don't have another x to fill in that empty space. Again, we're trying to make a rectangle. So I'm going to turn this up here and fill in the remaining space down here with my 3 unit tiles. Now that we've made a rectangle, we can see that we have an x, and a 1, an x, a 1, a 1, and a 1, giving us 2x plus 1 across the top, and x plus 3 on the side. Therefore, our trinomial factors to be 2x plus 1 times x plus 3. A quick check, multiplying out our solution. We distribute, we do first 2x squared plus 6x plus 1x plus 3, or 2x squared plus 7x plus 3, which is our original trinomial, so we know we got our factors correct. Slightly harder one, problem 2. I still have my 2x squareds. I only need 5 x's to start with to model this trinomial. So there's my 5 x's, and I need some negative ones on this problem, so here are negative tiles, red instead of yellow. There's negative 3. So as I start to build my rectangle again, I can use my pairs of x's here to fill in. And just like the last problem, my first instinct would be to put this up here. However, I cannot multiply 1 times 1 and get negative 1. So I need to introduce a negative x here. So what we can do is introduce a 0 pair. Since x minus x is equal to 0, we can introduce as many of those as we need to. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and use it to make my rectangles go down here one more row. And now I can put my negative x, and now I have 1 times negative 1 right here. That could give me my negative 1, 1 times negative 1, and 1 times negative 1. Give me negative 1. So I've got my rectangle now. Across the top, we have 2x minus 1, and down the side we have x plus 3. So our factors are 2x minus 1 times x plus 3. Quick check to make sure that's correct. First, outer, inner, and last gives us 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. That's our original trinomial. So those are our factors.